So, nagkaroon ako ng installment per month ha. Monthly yung bayaran ko dito. Hindi lang siya 7 days and 14 days. But I believe, let's say, first timer ko. I believe so I think this would be the first time na i-review ko tong online loan na ite. Well, I have an account before dito sa online loan na ito. And masasabi ko na okay siya in terms of collection practice kasi I never experienced na naharas sa kanya. So, through email lagi yung kanyang payment reminder, yung pagre-remind niya ng aking mga due date, yung loan amount na meron pa ako. Through email niya sinesend. And I never had any experience with regards to pananakot. 'Di ba? Yung mga pang-blackmail, ganyan-ganyan. At mga tinatawagan yung mga contact reference, walang ganon. I believe online loan na ito na i-review natin ngayong araw na Itechuwarya ay pretty much, I can say, pwede na. Kasi kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng emergency na mauutangan in times of need, so hindi mo naman siya gagawing regular cash loan, kundi kapag nagkataon lang talaga na nagigipit ka na at wala ka na malapitan. Aminin natin na hindi naman sa lahat ng oras kasi, meron tayo. Alam niyo yung ibig kong sabihin. Pero bago nating i-review ito, sa mga bagong salta pa lang sa aking channel, please subscribe. Kasi dito sa channel na ito, nagre-review tayo ng financial products and services, including credit cards, savings, loans, at mga jola. And wag niyo kakalimutang i-click itong bell na ito para every time na magkakaroon tayo ng ganitong video, lagi kayong manonotify. At kayong unang manonotify ng mga chika bombom natin. And of course, hindi rin tayo magpapatalo sa SOCMED kasi meron din tayong TikTok at saka Facebook. So kung mararapatin ninyo, baka naman, 'di ba? Pa-follow na rin ako dito sa aking Facebook and TikTok account, mga Mimarya. So ayun na nga. Let's continue reviewing this online loan na si Moneycut. Yes, Moneycut ang kanyang pangalan. So gaya ng sinabi ko noon, meron na akong account with Moneycut and so nagkaroon ako ng installment per month ha, monthly yung bayaran ko dito. Hindi lang siya 7 days and 14 days. But I believe pag first time mo pa lang, ma-offer ka ng 7 days or 14 days and then kapag medyo may katagalan, pag pangatlong renew mo na, bibigyan ka na, I believe, ng monthly na payment option. Okay. So, iba-iba naman kasi yung mga online loans, hindi ba? But, let's say Moneycut, for now, Moneycut is offering up to 20,000 pesos, as you can see, for up to 180 days. Okay, mabilis ang kanyang application process, which can take only 5 minutes. Tapos, meron siyang offer dito kapag first time borrower ka or first loan mo sa kanya, meron kang free. Okay? Which is free interest to. Sabi niya dito, with our instant cash loan online service, you don't need to confirm income. Ay, hindi kailangan ng payslip. Hindi kailangan mag-provide ng income dito. Okay? Hindi rin sila nanghihingi ng references. Okay You don't need to confirm income, bring references, visit our office. Kasi online siya, di ba? Okay, so ang pwede mong mahiram sa kanya is from a minimum of 500 pesos up to 20,000 kinambolar pesos. Di ba? Yun, 500 ang pinaka-minimum o antareok. Kapag hihiram ako ngayon ng, let's say, kasi first time kung first time ko, hiram ako ng 5,000. So, 5,000 din ang ibabalik ko sa kanya. Today is April 20. Tapos, ang first payment date ko is today is April 10. Okay? Ang first payment date ko, kung ako ay ma-approve ngayon, let's say for example, ang aking first payment date is April 20. So, I have like how many days? Diba? 14 days? So, that's 14 days na frequency, mga Mima. I believe. Right? 14 days na frequency. I think 10 days. 10 days na frequency. So, this is for first time first timers. Itong sinasabi ko. Okay, so 5,000. So, this is how you can get the loan and pay it back. So, only 4 steps to get a loan and pay it back. So, magsa-sign up ka lang sa application and confirm using the OTP code. Tapos, you wait for the call verification or SMS notification about 10 minutes. pwedeng may tumawag or magte-text sa'yo about the result, okay? Kung tatawag man sila for verification yon ng identity mo. And once approved, you take the money and enjoy. Sabi niya ganun. So, you receive the money in your bank card within 10 minutes. So, kapag na-approve ka na, mabilis din. And then, for repayment, you can pay back through any method using Dragon Pay. Okay, so ito yung kanyang terms, which is 3 to 6 months siya. So, yung amount from 500 to 20,000 pesos. At ang monthly interest niya is 11.9%, which is acceptable na rin. Diba? So, 11.9% per month, tapos maximum APR per year is 145%. Kasi ang EIR 15% hindi ba per month. So, who is eligible to get a loan, sabi niya? As long as you are 22 years old and above, living in the country, and employed ka dapat. Pero gaya nga ng sabi niya kanina, hindi naman na sila nanghihingi ng income na pagkakakilanlan na ikaw ay employed. If you are first timer, so all you have to do is just to register. Lalagay mo lang dito yung phone number mo, tapos yung email mo. Okay, let's say, first timer ko. Tapos, i-check ko lang tong dalawang box. And then, get cash today, sabi niya. 5,000 yung nilagay ko So, kung meron kang referral kung meron kang referral ID, then you can put the referral ID then. So, sabi niya, hello, nice to meet you. Please carefully fill in your personal information. It is necessary for approval and provides you with the better loan conditions. Sabi niya ganun. So, personal details, middle name and last name, gender. So, yung address mo din, ilalagay mo dyan. So, parang itatag mo dito yung, ito. Ito lang naman, kailangan mong i-allow to, yung location. Okay, it's added na para, syempre, mas mabilis yung approval process din, hindi ba? So, kung at saka yung address mo, ilalagay mo dyan, yung province mo, or basta yung kompletong address, lagay mo dyan, tapos mag-next ka lang. So, kapag next mo, manghingi din siya ng job details. So, yung monthly income, tapos yung office ng, o yung number ng office mo, relatives contact. So, isa lang pala yung contact reference na kakailanganin mo with MoneyCut. Okay? So, though standard naman na talaga kapag mag-a-apply ka ng mga loans, kagaya ni MoneyCut, they will ask for your monthly income. Hindi ba? Yun lang naman yung i-ask nila. Hindi naman, yung sinasabi niya kanina na they will not ask for your paper document na magpapatunay na ganito yung income mo. So, yun yung sinasabi niya siguro kanina about dun sa income. Pero, itong monthly income, kailangan naman talaga ilagay dyan, yung monthly income. Tapos, yung office number, relatives contact, okay? Tapos, yung disbursement. So, yung disbursement is bangko lang talaga siya. BPI, Union Bank, at saka BDO. Tapos, ibang bank din. Meron din. So, maraming bangko. So, mamili lang kayo kung ano yung bangko nyo dyan para dyan i-disburse, no? Tapos, yung emergency contact. Then, after that, magne-next ka na. So, kailangan mag-upload ng selfie photo and a photo of your government ID. Okay, pwedeng TIN, SSS, UMID, driver's license, passport, or national ID. So, upload mo lang yung mo dyan, selfie mo with the ID. And then, it's terms and conditions. Okay? So, you have to read pa rin talaga yung terms and conditions. Napaka-importante yan. So, andito, sinasabi yung due date, kung magkano yung interest. In fairness, yung interest niya dito is 2.5% lang. So, napakababa. Okay, 2.5% interest lang siya. For siguro first time jutangera to. Tapos, ang loan frequency niya is 10 days. Full repayment, principal plus fees if any. So, 5,000 siya. So, buo siya. So, buo mo din talagang ibabalik sa kanya. 5,000 yung inutang mo, 5,000 din na ibabalik sa kanya. So, wala siyang any additional fees. May early repayment siya. So, basahin niyo mabuti yan. Tapos, may fast approval fee din na 300. Overdue interest, 3%. Okay, so, wag kayong ma-overdue. Late payment is 0, sabi niya dito. Prolongation fee, 7% of unpaid principal. So, may mga ganun siya kapag gusto mo i-extend yung yung loan mo. So, basahin nyo mabuti yan, tapos ilalagay nyo din yung purpose dyan. Let's say, home improvement, ganyan-ganyan. Then, after that, click mo na yung finish the applications once you read the terms and conditions. So, napaka-importante na magbasa tayo ng terms and conditions bago natin i-complete yung application na inuutangan natin. So, napaka-importante yun. So, balitaan nyo naman ako kung na-approve kayo kay Manicat and how's the experience sa mga nakapag-jutang na sa kanya kay Manicat. Pa-comment naman sa video na itechuar yung mga memorya. So, again, be a responsible jutangera. So if you're interested in applying for Manicat, I also have a legit link dito sa description and comment section ng video na ito. Puntahan nyo lang para ma-direct na agad kayo dun sa application process ng Manicat. Till our next video, don't forget to subscribe. Babush mga memorya!